Hello dear students, welcome back to the science class. Dear students, in the previous video class we were studying about the lesson nervous system. Yes, what all the things we have studied in this lesson? First we have studied about the definition of a nervous system, then the parts of a nervous system. Yes, there are mainly three parts of a nervous system: brain, spinal cord and nerves. Next, we have studied about the human brain. Yes, our human brain it consists of mainly the three parts: cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. These are the three parts of a brain. Which are the three main parts of a brain? The three main parts of a brain are cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. Yes, we have studied the function of cerebrum and cerebellum and medulla. You have to remember the function of each part here. It is very important. Next, we have studied about the spinal cord. Yes, and next we have studied about the nerves. In a nerves, there are mainly three types of nerves are there: sensory nerves, motor nerves, and the third one is a mixed nerves. Okay. Next, we have studied about the reflex action. Yes, what is reflex action? The actions which are very fast and automatic, and we will act without any thinking. Such actions we are calling it as a reflex action. Yes, we have studied about the thorn here. The thorn concept we have studied. I hope you have cleared till here the lesson. Yes, dear students, today let us see about the concept sense organs. Yes, dear students, in your lower classes you have studied about the sense organs. Can you tell me how many sense organs we are having? Yes, we are having a total 5 sense organs. Yes, these sense organs are very important and essential to our body. ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಗನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದಾವಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ, ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ. ಇವಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಗನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ಇವೇನು ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಗನ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವಲ್ಲ ಇವನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಏನು ಇವುಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನು ಹರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲಾರ್ದಂಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಏನು ಹಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಲಾರ್ದಂಗೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಆರ್ಗನ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ 5 ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಗನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. Can you name them? Which are the 5 sense organs? Yes, eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. These are the 5 sense organs. The sense organs in a human body. These are present where? These are present in a human body. Yes, which are the sense organs in a human body? Then eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದೆಮ್ ಇನ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನು ನೋಡೋಣ, ಈ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಗನ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆನ ತಿಳಿದುಕೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಐಸ್. ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಐ. ದಿಸ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ neatly in your science diagram book. Yes, as I have told for you, you have to maintain one diagram book, science diagram book, 100-page king size science diagram book you have to maintain. So whichever the important diagram I will be telling you, you have to practice the important diagrams in that book here. So this is the parts of an eye. Parts of an eye. This diagram you have to learn to practice. Yes, it is having the iris. Here is the iris part. The next one is the cornea. Here middle it is having a cornea part. Next is a black color. Can you see this black color spot? It is a pupil. Next one lens we are having. The next part is a retina. Next one is a optic nerve. Yes, can you see these nerves inside? Yes, these are the optic nerves we call. Iris, cornea, pupil, lens, retina and optic nerve. These are parts of an eye. Okay, let us see about the eyes here. Eyes are present in the eye sockets. Where the eyes are present? They are present in eye sockets of our skull. Eyes help us to see the world around us. What is the function of an eye? Yes, the eyes helps us to see the world here. Whatever there in our surrounding, we will see with our eyes. The work like a cameras and send moving images to the brain. So the work like a cameras and send moving images to the brain. The brain in a return tells us what we have seen. So what it will do? It will collect the picture here. The eyes will catch the picture here. Nothing but it will click a picture. Okay, then it will send to the brain here. Then what does the brain will reply here? The brain in return tells us what we have seen. So the brain will answer here what we have seen, that one. First our eyes will click a photo image here. So it will capture the image. So the image is sent to the brain. Then the brain in return will tell us. ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ ನಮಗೂ, ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಪಿಕ್ಚರನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಐಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಅ ಫ್ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಐಲಿಡ್ಸ್. ಹೌ ದ ಐಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್? ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಅ ಐಲಿಡ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. Eyelids protect the eyes from a foreign matter such as dust, dirt and other debris, as well as bright light that might damage the eyes here. So the eyelids, what they will do here? They will protect the eyes here. Okay, whatever the dust particles, whatever the dirt are there, foreign matter, nothing but the dust only it is, debris it may be, okay, nothing but the dust particles, as well as the bright light that might damage the eyes here. The eyelashes present on the eyelids and the eyebrows protect the eyes from the dust here. We can see of an object when light bounces off the object and enters the eye through the clear transparent area called cornea. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೌ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ನಾವು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಯಾವ ಥರ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತದು. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಬೌನ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ದ ಲೈಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಫಾಲ್ ಆನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಬೆಳಕು ಬೀಳಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ. ಬೆಳಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೂ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಣಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಬೆಳಕಿದ್ದಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾವು ಆ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸನ್ನ ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ we can see an object when light bounces off the object and enters the eye through the clear transparent area called cornea. So when the light will fall on that object, ಆ ವಸ್ತು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಲೈಟ್ ಬಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೊರೆನಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ ದ ಕೊರೋನಿಯಾ is the iris. It is a flat colored ring shaped membrane with an adjustable circular opening called the pupil in the center. You can see the behind the cornea there is a iris. This is the cornea. Behind that there is a iris part. It is a flat colored ring shaped membrane. How it is? It is a ring shaped membrane with an adjustable circular opening called a pupil here. Yes, it is having one opening, the black color opening, that is a pupil, and it is present where? It is present in the center here. The pupil which looks like a black spot. Yes, the pupil, how it is? It looks like a black spot here. It is actually an opening in the iris that lets light into the eyes here. Muscles in the iris make the pupil bigger. So the muscles which are present in our iris part, it makes the pupil bigger here, okay, or smaller to let in light depending on the brightness outside. Yes, whichever the object, whether it is looking big or small, it depends on a pupil part here. When it is dark outside, the pupils become bigger to let in more light. When there is a bright sunlight, the pupil becomes smaller to let in a less sunlight. See dear students, when there is no dark, when there is a dark, the pupil becomes what here? It becomes bigger here. When there is a bright sunlight, then the pupil becomes small, and we can see the objects here. Behind the pupil is a clear lens. The lens focuses the picture on the retina. So what it will do, the lens, it will focus the picture on retina. It will display the picture on a retina part here. There are tiny nerves on the retina. These nerves send messages to the bigger nerve called the optic nerve. Then the optic nerve carries the message to the brain here. From the optic nerve, the message is carried directly to the brain here. The brain understand and tells what you have seen. Then the brain, it will catch that image and it will tell what you have seen the picture, the name of that picture. The brain will reply you. This is all about the function of a eye, how the eyes will work. Okay, let us see the next one. What care we have to take to our eyes. The first one, when you read, face towards the source of a light. So whenever you are reading, you have to face towards the source of a light. ನೀವು ಕತ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಬಾರ್ದು. ನೀವು ಕತ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳಿಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೀಡ್ ವೇರ್ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಕಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓದಬೇಕು. Sit upright while reading. Never read a book while lying down. See, you have to sit straight and you have to read a book. You should not sleep and read a book here. Do not sit too close to the television while watching it. See, dear students, even you have to follow this rule very strictly. You should not watch the TV, okay, very closely. Do not watch too much of television and do not play on a computer or tablets for longer hours. See, dear students, how much necessity, that much only have to see the TV, it may be, and you should not play on computers continuously. It will affect your eyes. Your eyes becomes, okay, your eyes will start getting problem here. Wash your eyes with a clean water. Yes, once a day you have to wash your eyes with your clean water. Never use someone else's handkerchiefs to clean your eyes. This causes infection. See, dear students, if you want to clean your eyes, you have to use your own kerchief. You should not use anybody's handkerchief. This is all the cares you have to take for your eyes. Then only you can protect your eyes very safely. So today we have studied about the sense organ eyes. In the next class, again we will continue with this lesson, the sense organs, nose, ears. Till that, dear students, study well. Have a nice day. Thank you.